build for midfielders in Unmatched Ego. This is the build. Use your finest Stealer, Elastico, and Bicycle Drive. You may say, why do you use Elastico? Because Elastico, you can shoot better. Like you can fool the goalkeeper. You can fool the goalkeeper and shoot like that. So it's pretty OP. Look.
Ito ang mga tatamang number. 42.
42.
40.
40. 40.
04.
04.
30.
30.
46.
46. And also rear.
Tinanong ko, tumaya ka ba? Hindi.
35.
Wait.
Hindi siya nanalo.
No winner. Yes. Yes.
Nagagaram mo pa.
Akala ko tumaya ka. Yung sigaw mo puno sa taya.
Look at this. So let me use it to go to the right. Okay. Then let's shoot. See, bro, I fooled the goalkeeper, man. It's so OP.
Bakit hindi kita makontak?
It's so freaking OP.
Paano sila nag-connect?
Doon sa ano, may minute nga, may time ba yun?
Internet,
Internet?
dating app.
Kaya, ano yung Facebook mo, Friendster?
Friendster? Wala nang Friendster dito, no?
Bang! Yo, how did I...
Dali.
Parang sabay ka na sa akin.
Ay, hindi na po nakabook na ako. Bye-bye. Paano
Is-
kung magkakaroon ng
Sheesh!
social media? Eh, wala
This
kang
this is so OP, man.
May Facebook ka?
You should try it.
Wait.
You guys should try it.
So, hahanapin mo ako sa future ko.
Oo.
See?
Kaya ako pinapangunahan yung future.
Okay, bye guys.